Si ma'am po ay isa sa aming very loyal client na laging nagpapagawa every month. And for today po, si ma'am ay magpapacolor and hair treatment at the same time magpapamanicure and pedicure. Magmimix po ako ng 2 colors para sa hair niya, and as I proceed, inumpisahan ko na po ang pagko-color kay ma'am. As you can see po, binabad ko po siya na 45 minutes. Then wash, shampoo, and apply na po ng Eucollagen number 2 treatment sa hair ni ma'am. And after 45 minutes, pinabanlawan ko lang po ng very light. And this is the final looks after ng blow dry and plancha ng hair ni ma'am. Ang ganda ng color niya. Again, color may vary due to lighting effects. Pero sa personal po, ang ganda ng pagka-blend ng color sa buhok ni ma'am. Kahit ma-wash out po yung color niya, still, hindi pa rin halata ang white hair ni ma'am dyan. Thank you so much, Ma'am Maricel of Santo Niño, for always trusting Iris Beauty and Wellness Hub.